Okay, good day. My name is Mr. Faith. I'm a math tutor. Now, for just one first term, this is scheme of work like for federal government, which is like almost the same for the whole country. You have number one here. You have number numerations, where you also have the place value. Then number two, you have LCM of whole numbers. This is HCF of whole numbers. Number four, changing improper fractions to mixed number and back. While number five, you have equivalent fractions. Number six is addition and subtraction of fractions. Number seven is multiplication and division of fractions. While the last one is board mass of fractions. I see that basically this term work in just one will be mostly about fractions. Okay, now for the first topic in just one mathematics, we are dealing with number and numerations. Now, this has to do with how you are able to count your numbers or to know the place value of your numbers. Now look at this number here. You have 65892. Now all these digits have their place values respectively. Starting from the right hand side, the first value here is 2. That's the unit. Second one here is 9, which is the 10. Yeah. Then third one is what? 8, which is 100. This is the 1000. Why this is tens of thousands? Therefore, if you want to pronounce this, you're going to say 65,892. Let's look at some examples down here. The first example is that what is the place value of 7 in this number 2676? You can see that to look for the place value of 7, we use something that's similar to this. This is units, while this is tens and this is thousand. Therefore, you can see that the 7 appears at the point where you have the 10. So the place value of 7 there is tens. You come to the second one. What's the place value of 9 in 19620? Now, you can see that this is units. First one is units. Second one is 10. Why this one is what? 100. Why this one is 1000. Therefore, you can see that the place value of 9 in this number is what? Is 1000. Then come to the last one. What is the place value of 5 in these digits? You can see that this is 3572. You start from the right hand side again. You say this is the units, this is the 10, this is the 100. Why this is the what? 1000. You can therefore see that the place value of this 5 is what? This is units, this is 10, but this is what? 100. Therefore, the place value of 5 in these digits is what? Is 100. Now you come to here. They said write this number in words. In words. In words. For you to be able to write the numbers in words, you can say there are so many digits there. What you do is that you have to put your commas. After 3 digits, you put a comma. After 3 digits, you put a comma, just like that. 1, 2, 3, you put a comma here. 1, 2, 3, you put a comma here. 1, 2, 3, you put a what? Comma here. Now you can see that how many digits do we have after the commas? We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this shows that this is thousands. This shows that this is million. Why this shows that this is what? Billion. Now to write this is going to be 3,421,374,128. You can see that adding these commas has made it easy for us to be able to write this number in words. So that's basically it. I'm not going to write it, but you've seen how I call it. I'll call it again. I said this is 3,421,374,128. So this is basically a revision of what you did in your primary school. There's no much thing in number and numeration, just place values and you are good.